Okay, this is the speed tutorial. I think you are skillful enough for this. Okay, first 16 by 16. I think the 5 stars are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the moon is like somewhere here. And this is to free up the moon flag. Okay, so you can see over here, square, square, square. There's a 2-level shift. Then let's begin. This is the first two layer of squares. 1 level down and another level down. Okay, so from the side it's like that. Then bring 3 layers to the center. This is what it's supposed to look like. This is the center. 1, 2, 3 to the center. 1, 2, 3 to the center. Okay. And now let's bring this to the light box. Okay, so here is where we left off. Like that. Inside reverse fold here on all the edges. This is what you're supposed to have. So this 2, 3, 4, 5 flaps are for the stars. Okay, this is for the star molecule. You can see over here is the same thing. This part, zoom into this. Okay, so first half, quarter, 8, and 1 more down. Okay, unfold everything. You pleated zinc all the way downwards. You should get 5 appendages. So this is another way of point splitting. Pleated zinc. Yeah, sorry, it's supposed to be like splitted zinc like that first. Pleated zinc, so you get 5 points. Okay, then you press down and squash. Down and squash. Okay, not really the best star tutorial, but yeah, you get the point. So up, out, out, out here, and just pull out a little bit to see the colors inside, and you are done. Down here, and here, and you know the rest. Okay, and we are going to do level shift. Okay, so let's just name the stars. Okay, so this is the middle one. So the middle one is supposed to be flat. Go to the one nearest, pull both out, and do a level shift. It's supposed to have that square shape. This is axis plus 1, axis plus 2. Okay, then we need to do another level shift later. So do the same for this one. Pull both layers out. Hey, sorry, not this one. Okay, this is the level shift. Do pull the one beside. Okay, then finally the last one, pull one layer, outwards. Okay, so you can see like that. This is the level shifted side. So you can see this is axis plus 1 plus 2 plus 3. So it's a plus 1 level shift plus 2 level shift. This is the level shifted part that comes outwards. This from the top, this is how it's supposed to look like. Repeat on the other side. So we are level shifted on both sides. So this is how it's supposed to look like from the top down. Okay, open one. Okay, 1 square, 2 square, press and valley all the way down. Out. Flatten this. You don't have to flatten this part. Same. 1, 2, press, valley all the way down. Okay, press flat. Valley down. This spare triangle, you can fold it upwards. I think you can slot it here, lock it in. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1 layer, 2 layer, mountain, valley, and down. 1 layer, mountain, valley, and down. Okay. 1 layer, mountain, valley, and in. Okay, over here, inside reverse fold. And tada! This is the base of the Singapore flag. This is the moon. And these are the 5 stars. Okay, and it's done. So, yep, this is the moon, no particular reference points. And yeah, this is how it looks like from the back. So, I'm pretty happy, very clean. And for the stars, I think it's better to do when you do the initial reverse folds, when it's still large and long. It's easier to handle. And that's it.